Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Spring Assortment V1405 J case. So this is the holiday assortment, and what you see in front is the Silver Series Porsche for the Chinese New Year. So 2026, Year of the Horse, we got the Porsche. I'm going to take this opportunity to say that Jcar Diecast sent this over. So make sure you check out jcardiecast.com. I'm not sure if Jcar's got any more of the Porsche left, but I'm willing to bet there are still some spring sets there for you to grab. So check out jcardiecast.com. This is the Porsche. We'll start here. Obviously, very cool Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year. I forget the official name of the holiday. It is going on now, welcoming in the Year of the Horse, which is 2026. A very cool way to celebrate the New Year in I think it's not just China. I think it's all of Asian cultures. And I know that Hot Wheels has been doing a number of these. We've seen for years now. We've seen the year, we have the Year of the Horse here. We've seen the Year of the Rooster. We've seen the Year of the, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. But we've seen, not only we've seen cars like the Porsche here. We've seen vehicles that are like more of the animal shaped cars. So but this is the first year they've decided to do a Silver Series. Usually we see the Chinese New Year cars in the main line, and now we are seeing this special one-off release here in the Silver Series. I know that distributors, I know that retailers are able to order full cases of these. So if you haven't found one yet, be patient, or if you can, order it from a reputable hobby dealer like Jcar Diecast. So that is the Porsche 935. Now we're going to get on to cracking open this case of spring cars, which are not Silver Series, but I did want to show it with these because it's definitely holiday worthy. So, and I figured that since the spring cars are kind of a holiday in themselves, we would go and share the Porsche with them. And we got cars falling out already. All right, let's cap the excitement here. All right, there we go. All right, so this case is 24 cars, 24 vehicles. I love these holiday mixes because, as a collector, there's always, we have friends and family coming over. The kids and adults like to check out my collection, and I like to share these vehicles with them when the appropriate holiday is around. Like, for instance, if you saw my Halloween unboxing video, I like to give out the Halloween cars for trick or treat. These cars will go in either Easter baskets or just to random kids around the neighborhood or my kids. So, first car out of the case is number 5 of 5 in the mix. It is the Dimachini Veloce. Dimachini Veloce. I should know because I collect this car, how to pronounce it, and that is how you pronounce it. But of course, it's not, without error, of course. All right, so a couple things here. This is probably the 6th or 7th or, oh god, I can't believe I just did that, or the 8th version of this car already. We've seen it in the pullback speeders, and yeah, very cool, kind of grand touring style vehicle. Obviously, it's unlicensed. It's a Hot Wheels original design by Hot Wheels designer, former designer, Dmitry Dima Shakhmatov, and hence the Dima at the beginning of the name here. And just a very cool, like, I know this is like an Easter spring car. You get the Easter bunny in the back here in the logo still. I think the mix is actually called Spring Mix. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if it officially is spring or Easter, but I know you get all that, but you get a really cool car here. You get a really cool, I know it's like pastel, but that's not to say that this type of race car wouldn't come in a cool pastel design. So you get the roundel. I think it's a roundel, right? Yeah, it's not egg-shaped. Roundel number 5 there. I think the only part that throws me off a little bit is maybe that front hood scoop and the bottom piece, which is part of the interior, I believe, which is like a turquoise. But you get really cool yellow 10 spokes on this one. Kind of stoked. I mean, this is actually a cool release of the Dimachini Veloce, and very cool to add this one to the collection. I smell a casting update coming up for that one. So we got 6 of those. So 6 out of the 24 pieces in this case are the Dimachini Veloce. All right, next one out of the case. We have the Cosmic Coupe, number 2 of 5. Kind of a pale yellow on this one. Very cool. Kind of like a off-roading. I think it was almost like a, yeah, it's supposed to, I guess Cosmic is maybe like a lunar off-roader car. I don't know. Not one of my favorite unlicensed cars, but it is definitely, it's some, to each their own. Somebody might really love this one as much as I love the Dimachini Veloce. All right, so there are 4 of those in this case. So not a lot. We have 5 cars in the series. So we've got a little extra of the Dimachini. What do we have? Next up we have the Ford Escort. So it is, I think this might be our only licensed car in the mix. The Ford Escort, I guess you could call it Rally. It used to be called the Escort Rally. The paint on this one is a matte blue. So really cool matte blue paint. The graphics have like a metallic kind of look to them and kind of a gloss look to them. So a really cool effect going on with the graphics over the matte blue paint. One of my favorite castings, actually, back in 1998, it was done with like really cool. Michael Geraldo did the original deco on this car, and he said that he, it was his first car he designed for Hot Wheels, and he went all out on the design and the tampo passes and masking at the time. They had masking in the main line, and he went all out on that. This obviously doesn't get that treatment. It just gets a side treatment here for the Easter/spring mix. But again, not over the top Eastery design. Very nice to have this one with kind of, outside of, if you look really closely, obviously you'll see the Easter Bunny logo there. But it's really small, and I mean, if you look at it from far away, it kind of looks just like a really cool rally car. So that is a Ford Escort. You get 5 of those. 5 of those in this case. All right. Next one out of the case, you have Terra. So again, not a casting I am a huge fan of. Again, not to say that there aren't collectors out there who fancy this casting, but this one comes in kind of like a hot pink with a obviously the kind of pastel thing is the theme here. You get the yellow trim, the yellow off-road tire in the back. I really like, actually, the cool thing about this one is the top piece. You really see that kind of pattern coming through the body. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be the headers on the engine or what, but either way, that is, I thought this was supposed to be like electric car. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, you get the kind of that coming through there. So 3 of 5 in the mix, and it's bouncing off the card art. 5 of those in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one out of the case, what I'm excited for, of course, is the Driftsta. Another casting. If you followed me on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com, you would have seen I've done at least one collection update on the Driftsta. It's probably time for another one. Maybe I'll do that here on the OTD YouTube channel. And this is, again, a really cool casting that I collect. It's obviously an unlicensed one, a original design, however you prefer whatever you prefer to call it. All yellow. Again, just, I don't know, it's just one of my cool, it's like this made up kind of drift machine. I think it was Junimai that did this. Former Hot Wheels designer Junimai, now he works for Kaido House, or now he is Kaido House. Number 4 or 5 in this mix, and you get kind of, I think it's the Hot Wheels in writing on the side. Number 9 there, and blue base. Ooh, blue base. But yeah, just I don't know, it's cool to see, like, some of these cars are just fun to just go crazy on, and I think that's why they include like cars like this in the Easter/spring mixes. You can kind of just, not have any worries. It's, more of a playful design. So, but that's it. 5 cars in this mix. Thank you again, Jcar Diecast, for sending this case over. Again, check JcarDiecast.com, not only for the Easter and spring mix, but also for the Porsche 935 from the Silver Series. Thank you again for watching.